Asunto-osakeyhtiö Peter.
On the 13th of July 2023, we got the whole infrastructure putting elevators on Pietarinkatu, Pietarinkatu 1, STKC. You can wish all of them.
Yeah, he doesn't have elevator.
E doesn't have it, but B, C, D, and F have it, so you can wish all of them here. Because these 4 pieces of treatment programs built by Kone in 1929 and modernized by the early type of grade in 1991, probably the beginning of 1991, because STKC was modernized with the same fixtures in 1990. And then the staircase B in 1988 with MB8 fixtures, and the staircase E with MB8 in 1986. But the staircase F is still with the staircase F is still with the original here.
Yeah.
So you always also and this has two rights here. December 1023, going to be inspected into next year, 2024. And we are here in Ullanlinna, Urikas body, Helsinki as far as Helsinki in Finland, and let's sit down and enjoy the ride. Has very beautiful decorations here.
Yeah. Inspected by Device, maintained by Kone.
Yes. I believe the alarm bell is in the shaft.
Yeah.
I cannot see it anywhere here. That was a good one. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this elevator as much as we did in the house. Even though we should have been completely original.
Yeah.
I love these buttons also. But the original is the best.
Yeah. That's